Hello, today I just received this ultimate slime kit, glitter and sparkle from Yucky Science. It can be so stretchy and unsticky too, maybe. So I'm going to open this. So what I got is an instruction manual. The instruction manual is in place. Then we are going to open up the box. What do we have here? Okay. We have one glue bottle. Like we have 3 glue bottles. Social distancing. Then another one. Then some colors. Slime activator, bowls, and some glitter. If you buy this kit, then we let you take a look at the instruction manual. Slimes you can make: clear slime, and this galaxy slime, and whatever. It says start here. Step 1. Pour clear glue from home. Then step 2. Step 3.